Okay, we're going to do an unboxing of the Element 14 Ti collaboration, the SimpleLink Sub-1 GHz Sensor to Cloud. Sensor to cloud, what do you think that's going to involve? Oh.
An Internet of Things solution.
SimpleLink MCU platform, that stands for microcontroller unit. Sub-1 GHz sensor to cloud, 1 gigahertz or sub. Okay, so a lot of these sensors, wireless things, a lot of them are like 2.5 or 5 gigahertz. This is sub-1 gigahertz, so that must be a different bandwidth. Probably lower power too. Okay, yeah, why don't we take a look at what's in the package, and then we'll also see what it talks about on the website.
Okay, we have a sensor here.
The Element 14 development kit for the TI SimpleLink Sub-1 GHz sensor to cloud Linux gateway provides an out-of-the-box, end-to-end solution, enabling an easy cloud connection for sending and receiving long-range sensor data while maintaining a robust link. Okay, the kit contains all the components needed to create a full sensor network, including a gateway solution based on the BeagleBone Black. Okay, a BeagleBone wireless cape, so that must be attached to the BeagleBone Black. Have you found that yet? That's probably it right there because it's blue.
Oh, yeah, there's the BeagleBone
Or like the
and the
BeagleBone
cape.
Blue. So it's a BeagleBone Black with a wireless cape.
And it comes with an 8 gig SD card.
All right. Let's see what else we got here. Oh my gosh, that's enough cables.
Plenty of wires.
Don't you think?
All the connectivity. USB, USB, or FTDI cable.
Oh, sweet! You never have enough of those. Okay, we got, sensor and Mac coprocessor. Oh, I think I'm starting to get this. So I think this one sends data wirelessly to this one. Now this one is hooked up to the BeagleBone Black via a USB cable, gives the BeagleBone Black the data, and the BeagleBone Black puts it up into the cloud. I think it uses like IBM Cloud.
Well, it's going to connect to our local network.
Yeah. All right, we're connected to the Satara access point.
Awesome.
Okay, password entered. Address bar. That, open a new tab. Rip.
Welcome to Sensor Cloud.
Wow.
Sensor to Cloud.
So
welcome to Sensor to Cloud.
We have logged into Wi-Fi on the BeagleBone Black.
Awesome.
I'm completely disconnected from my network. Let's go. Well, it's actually called Let's Go. Connect to network. Okay, so let's see. Cloud gateway.
Local gateway. Configure collector.
I thought we were going to do the cloud gateway through IBM.
Fine, let's do cloud gateway.
So this reminds me of when I set up the Alexa device, like those plug controls. Like I actually had to connect my phone to the Thing's Wi-Fi and then tell it to connect to the shop's Wi-Fi.
So it's the IBM Watson IoT platform.
Oh yeah, Watson
this is what you
the
remember.
future.
This is what you were thinking of earlier.
Yes. Well, what things is it detecting? Let's take a look. Temperature in Celsius, active address, external address, RSSI last reported, temperature, ID, sensor value. Okay, so basically we're just getting temperature. Now don't hit it too hard, but definitely change it. And it's probably that little guy there on the left.
Really?
Yep. See if we can change the temperature over the cloud.
Whoa! Oh, yeah, something happened.
Okay, turn it off.
I'm just keeping myself warm is all.
Well, actually, it looks like a big jump, but it only went from 29 to 32 Celsius.
It changed the scale there?
It did, because there was change over time. Hit it again. Let's see if we can go higher.
All right.
Why are we stuck at 32? Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Up to 36 now. Yeah. Stop. The interval's kind of wide. Oh, you know what we should do? We should, let's do this. Unhook this. It'll probably give us a bad message.
Oh.
Okay, why don't you take that like in the break room?
Okay.
And torture it.
See you later.
So take your torture device with you. So this will be like in E.T. when E.T. and the boy were sick and they could like sense each other. Oh, yeah, there's a spike. 44. Yeah, it definitely shot up. Okay, don't hit it anymore. Okay, we're probably over about 100 now. All right, yeah, let it cool down. See, we have, okay, the parameters that we're getting. Active, true, short address, just 1 byte, extended address, 64-bit value, looks like. RSSI, last reported. Temperature is what we're getting. Sensor value units. Cool. All right, well, that was pretty easy to get started. All right, let's recap. So this kit is exclusive from Element 14 in collaboration with Texas Instruments. It allows you to get started with an Internet of Things infrastructure. Has everything you need out of the box. Basically, plug it in. It's a Wi-Fi access point, just like one of those Alexa smart plugs. You log into it with your smartphone or computer to set everything up. So you don't even really need internet around your shop.
The tags are communicating through sub-1 gigahertz.
Right, so this would be your sensor tag. Now, we looked up what a TI tag looks like. Obviously it's different from this, but they're just using this dev board to represent what the tag node would be. So you'd put this in whatever you want to be sensed. I mean, you could have a whole bunch of those and create a network, which actually makes more sense because then you could analyze the data. You'd have more points, you know, like what's the most level part of the cargo ship coming over from China, you know, stuff like that. All right, so this sends its data back to this unit. So these two microcontrollers are communicating on the sub-1 gigahertz range. And we notice there's 3 different frequencies depending on if you're in America or the EU or China.
Right.
They're different. They're all under 1 gigahertz, but they're different ranges. And then that data is being sent over USB. So this is basically just acting as probably a serial device to the BeagleBone Black. And the BeagleBone Black comes with an SD card, which is pre-flashed to boot up a system that acts as a wireless network point to get you started with data very quickly. I mean, we were able to log in, and you don't even need an IBM account. You can just do a quick start and see your device, and it just works. So yeah, it's pretty cool. For more information about this kit, go to www.element14.com/Texas Instruments.